Hey, welcome back to the Fit Survive channel. So today we have a bag here from Fire. So this is their Bonfire Modular tool roll bag. And so this bag, it's about 11 inches wide by about 6.5 inches. It's made of a canvas. It's water resistant. They've put some kind of coating on it to kind of make the water just kind of beat off of it. So it has a nice handle right here up top and a removable shoulder strap. And I really like that it's removable. You just disconnect it from these D rings here, because personally I wouldn't use the shoulder strap just kind of as it is. So empty, this bag weighs 500 grams, and so it's right about 1.1 pounds. And so open this up, show you what it looks like on the inside. So it has this little flap here, kind of protecting your gear whenever you fold it over on itself. So lots of storage space here, which is what I really like about this design and this setup. You have these 8 pockets down below, one really large one, and then they go about just kind of like a medium size, the rest of them. Right, then you have some elastic loops also for organizing your gear. Also on the left you have a larger one, then they go about the same size as the rest of them. And then you have these really large, deep pockets, these orange ones. They go all the way down to the bottom, so this nice large pocket here. So 3 of those. Got a mesh, little mesh zippered section there. And then you have this second per se compartment. Turn this around so you can see it better. So second compartment, you have 2 mesh bags here, and then there's one little zippered compartment down below. And so the cool thing about this is where the bag becomes modular, is this can be easily zipped off, just like that. And then it literally functions as a bag of its own. So it's set up kind of like what you would see on like a toiletry bag, something you can easily hang basically anywhere where you want it to. And then if you have tools in there or whatever other stuff you have, you basically can easily access it. And like I said, this can be used separately. And so again, it's also like a roll-up bag. And so what you do, it's right here. And basically you have your own individual bag there. If you didn't want to use this, also it's easy just to remove it and use this bag as is. All right, so really cool setup. I like how they did that. It just adds a bit more functionality to it, because you're able to actually change it how you want. You can take this out, add it in, design it however you want. So how would I use this? Really with this much kind of organizing space, there's literally a whole bunch of options that you could do for this. So I'd see me using this as something like for collecting items. And so like if you'd be like putting your flashlights in there, so you have them all in one place, kind of just like organizing. Or if you were to use this for an EDC bag for carrying some of your EDC gear, a trauma kit, or basically there's a bunch of different options that you could do as far as for designing this to basically meet your needs or your wants. But anyways, let me know what you think about a bag like this, how you would use it. So it costs $46 on Amazon. So let me know what you think about that. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.